name is Rachel Kyte. I'm Dean at the Fletcher School at Tufts University. I've worked on sustainability issues since I was a student, since high school really, and I started working on climate issues per se around 2007-8, when I started to look at if the science was correct, what the impact of this was going to mean for long-term investments in development projects and infrastructure, and then started looking at what the social implications were going to be, and so then started concentrating more and more on climate in the context of economic development. We have a lot of the technologies that we need, but they're not deployed. There are new technologies we will need, but if we deployed the ones that we have now, it would make a big difference. We have, honestly, plenty of financing. We just deploy it very inefficiently within the financial system, so we still subsidise things we don't want and are not incentivising the use of things we do want. The cost of inaction will be far higher than the cost of action. I think the extraordinary innovation that you see from entrepreneurs, small and large, all over the world, high-tech and low-tech, coupled with the clarity of young people who see the intersection between climate justice, racial justice, gender justice, and this idea that we can build a world that is more just socially, build a world that is more resilient, and a world that is decarbonised. We're not trading off climate action against poverty. We can solve for both. Inertia and incumbency. The inertia of our current systems. Much of our finance and the economy is sort of oil-soaked. That's how we ran things for the decades up to now. And then incumbency is that the people who do very well at the moment may have to step to the side in order for other people to do very well, and we have to make changes in the way in which we manage our global economy, and normally incumbents don't necessarily want to step off the stage unaided. So universities are critically important in the challenge, because these are places where young people come to equip themselves with the skills that they need to go back and change the world. And so this is a place where understanding what it's going to mean to be a citizen in a world changed by climate change, that this is fundamental therefore to the mission of a university. And if you think of universities as having three roles, teaching, the pursuit of scholarship, and the fashioning of young people to be citizens, then climate is affected in all three. So we need to be teaching climate change across all disciplines. We need to be finding interdisciplinary opportunities to discuss climate. We need to be pursuing scholarship around what it's going to take for us to live on this planet without carbon as our lifeblood. And then we are going to find ways for universities to engage with the rest of the world with as opportunities to work in partnership to make our communities that are around the university better, but also for universities themselves to lead by example.